guys. It's a girl, golden or something. So today we're gonna be doing the paperclip challenge. So let's go to the trading hub. I was doing the paperclip challenge, but again, I did the paperclip challenge before I recorded this video, and I got the Valentina cuffs and this, so I'm gonna be continuing it. So let me just pause real quick. Let me get out full screen and on here, and then get my notepad, which has this thing in it. So hold on. Okay guys, so we're in the trading hub, and do be aware I will be talking in a server because my friends are here. Buttercup right there is my friend, Andrea. And honestly, I actually hate my hairstyle right now. So let me just put this in my game. There we go. So, that's actually pretty cute, but I don't know. Honestly, Ember eyes are just gorgeous. Oof. So the first person will be trading as I don't know who I'm going to trade. I think I'll trade Ellie. Let's hope I don't end up trading Buttercup, which is actually my friend. This one, her right here. This is Buttercup. My best friend is. I'm just Andrea. So if I trade her on accident, then whoa, I have no choice. I have to. I'm gonna be trading. Oh, I got a trade request by this person. So we're gonna put it in this. And then we're going to be looking for the items. Here's both of the items. And I started from, I don't actually remember where I started from. It's alright. I think I started from, hold on. Yeah, I don't know where I started from. And also, I have to get a better offer than this piece. Because if I don't get a better offer than these, then I'm gonna fail at the challenge. She at least tried to help, so I'm thankful that she tried to help. So I ended up trading her. Well, I ended up giving her those 100 diamonds for free. So let's try somebody else. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I remember that that's my friend Buttercup. Whee! I'm gonna trade Leah again. Okay, let me just send that and then find the stuff. And yes, I worked for all this stuff too. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Are you serious right now? So I'm getting whoever tries to help, but the offer's not good enough, I'll always give them 100 diamonds. Because I feel bad for declining their offer. So I'm gonna give her those diamonds for free. Yeah, because I'm nice. So I'm waiting for her to accept. And there we go. So we just got... Oh, I play some score as well. that's fun. What? Okay, so next, I'm going to offer that and see if she wants it. But who knows? Would she accept? She has that. I'm so sorry, I already have that. Sorry, I already have that. Very sorry. I think I know what she's gonna do. Please don't play me. I'm gonna watch Shoulder That Cape. I don't want her to end up playing me or something. I'm gonna watch the cape. Aha. Let me just find the two things. Whoa. What? 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 No. What? Wait. Whoa. otherwise, this is quite confusing. I really want to do this for her, but I'm only trading the cuffs and the bonnets. I cannot trade something else. Are you sure? Okay. I wouldn't want to be like that. I'm just asking her if she's sure. Okay, I guess I'll give her the diamonds as well. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? Okay, I just come back from trading this to see this. What the heck? The heck? What the heck just happened? Okay, I'm gonna trade this girl again. Because, well, I want to see if she'll actually do the paperclip. So let me just, okay, let me just put in the Dear Dolly, Ribbon Heels, Ribbon Heels, Ribbon Heels. What the frick? What? Oh, this is overpaying quite a bit. This is actually quite overpaying. No. I would have to add to this, for God's sakes. I have no choice. I have to add. I'm breaking the rules, but I have to add. Oh, she already has it. Ha ha ha. Very funny of me. My God. Maybe I'll add the corset as well. Actually, I almost have the whole set, pretty much. Okay, here's some. What the heck just happened? Yeah, I actually already have that. Sorry. I already have that. No. What if I add? Will you accept them? Because I ain't accepting that. I already have those rings. For God's sakes. Is she going to add? No, I'm sorry. I broke the challenge rules. Dang it. I'm not supposed to break the challenge rules. That was a mistake. I wasn't supposed to break the rules. I had to add. But anyways. Oh well, it's fine. Oh, somebody traded me. Okay, I'm gonna post this one and then show the offer I got.